Hi everyone, hope you're all well. So I am back with another journal. This one is using Tracie Fox's, well, one of her new kits because she brought out, I think it was about 3 or 4 last week. So I loved the Simple Valentine, I think it's called. So I purchased that and I got cracking on that. So it's a lovely kit. I will put a link below to Tracie's Etsy store. I'm sure, in fact, it is linked below anyway. What I'll do is I will link the actual kit below so you can go and take a peek. It's actually quite a big kit and it is, I think it's in our budget range. So for me in the UK it was £2.40. So don't know what that is in other currencies, but anyway, let me just give you a brief description, like size and stuff. So it measures, I believe, 7 3/4 by 4 3/4, has one signature, and it has 52 pages front and back. I will be listing it in my coffee shop and you can go over and check that out. Today only it will be at a reduced price. That's what I've been doing with my journals this year. So let's get cracking. So I have used, I don't know what I used as the, did I use an envelope? I could have used an envelope. I think I did. I can't remember because I started this last week. So I think I used an envelope as the cover, and I've used Tracie's papers, and I think that's coffee dyed paper in on the other side, on the inside. That's a beautiful page from the kit. I used it quite a few times, printed it out quite a few times because I used it for background tags. I used it for tabs, as you will see when we go through. This little bit here is not from Tracie. It was part of my scrapbox. It's actually from ARTYmaze. This is one of the pages, but I've shrunk it down because I'm going to show you now. I absolutely adored that image. How cute is that? So I've done a couple of layers there, done some stitching. One of the journal cards, well actually quite a few of the journal cards have got like rows of hearts on them. So it just so happened that this punch, I don't know when I got that or where I got it from, possibly the rain, oh there you go, Hobbycraft, right there, fit the hearts perfectly. So I used that, and you'll see throughout I've used them doing other things. We've got a couple of scrappy pieces of fabric here, and let's go inside. This comes off completely. So this is the same pages I've used. I think it is the same page for here. I've used, maybe I haven't. I'm going to shut up now because I think I'm talking rubbish. This is not that page. So you get these hearts that you can cut out. I've backed them so they're nice and strong, and you could journal on there. There's lots and lots to journal on in here, and the pages. That's one of the journal pages, and I made 3 tags out of that. I just thought that was so cute. I love the hearts with like, they kind of look like they're hanging from like black cotton. Very cute. These are actually from my shop, and I had them already, and I just thought I'll pop them in. And I've just got a little paper clip here holding it all there so it doesn't fall out. Again, using that punched out them hearts from the journal cards. And here we've got pockets. There's lovely pockets in the kit as well. Get quite a good selection of pockets and tags and ephemera. This was a little piece left over from one of the pages, and I just made a little booklet, and there is 2 of these little booklets throughout the journal. Some coffee dyed lined paper, and I just done some punching there with my Bind It All. I printed a couple of the pages like 2 to 1 page so that I was able to make some pockets, and that's some more pockets, a journal tag, and it's opened at the back, and that's the pocket there. I think that's the old design shop. Here we've got a double pocket, and these are just tags from the kit, and that's that background paper that I used on the cover, which I used to make tags with as well. And then here, oh, these tags are actually from the Field Notes layered tags, and I just popped some of the journal cards on there. That would be cute to write with a white gel pen on there. So yeah, that was, and I also used, so I used the new kit, which was called Simple, I think it's Simply Valentine, and then I used the Field Notes layered tags, or layered Field Notes tags, and I used some of the dusky pink kit as well. I'll show you that when I get there. Little double pocket here. These were like fussy cut, and so I just popped them on to the tags. Love that, that's really cute. That's the Field Knots layer tags. That goes in there, and that slips in here. Again, put the hearts on here. We've got another flip out there with another heart like so. And then inside here we've got some ephemera from the Old Design Shop. You can find the Old Design Shop linked below as well. Another tag with one of these journal cards on there, and that goes in there. And then this was from the Dusky Pink kit. And I just thought I would, because there was some roses and stuff in that kit as well, I just thought I'm going to incorporate some of that in there as well. So I just made a little booklet and I stitched the papers in. So you've got a little booklet there. And these were like the tall pages. It's a, I think that kit is a tall skinny journal kit, and I printed two to a page to give me that. And the other ones are on the other side somewhere. Just made a pocket here, and this is from the Dusky Pink kit, or Dusky Rose, I can't remember what it was called now. Again, a tag from the kit, somewhere to journal. Little tab here. I loved it because the little heart was there. And here we got some more tags from the kit. And that's the Field Knots layered tags. We've got a little flip out here, and I just glued them in so that you could actually tuck something in there if you wanted to. So that's another postcard from Dusky Pink kit, and this is from the Old Design Shop. Just like, they're like fillers, and you can do so much with all the other little bits. And some writing space, the center of the signature, and again I used that to punch out the little hearts on the journal card. That was just pure luck that that was the right size. Some more journal space, little tab here. I think mainly the journal space is like in the middle, and then just a few pages like either side in the signature. Another one of these that goes in there. Another one of these, which is from the Old Design Shop, and that goes there. Then we have made this as well. Well, I didn't make it, I used Tracie's elements to make it. One of the pages from the kit, and then this is one of the fussy cut hearts. There's actually quite a lot of blue bits in there. I didn't actually use a lot of the blue bits, although it does go really well, doesn't it? Like the red and the neutral tones and the blue. So I've just made that little journal card with that piece left over. Another tag. Made that tag up with the elements and the Field Knots layered tags. Love that. How cute is that? Stuck the 3 hearts on, somewhere to journal. Another little tag here. Pocket from the kit. 3 little hearts there. Little like pocket here, which is like a full envelope. Some tags there, another tag there. So lots of tags in this one. You get lots of tags with that kit. It's a lovely kit, it is. One of the pages from the kit. Another tag there that I made up with one of the fussy cut, I was going to say butterfly hearts. Tag from the kit, and actually I think that's opened like that. You can do that. Some ruffle, that's another flip out like so. Another big journal card here, and then this, that's from my coffee shop, and that's open there if you wanted to tuck something in. I just laid a piece of the paper on that because that was just a plain coffee dyed page, and that's just a little bit of something stuck there. Oh, gone now. Some more tags. I put that tab there because I had got 3 of them. Well, I wanted to put 3 and I had nowhere really to put it, so I was like, oh, got to put it there. But then I put the little heart on there and it made it better. It made it all better. Right, oh, that's a bit tight. So that goes in there. I'm never going to get that back in there now. You know that, don't you? Oh, it is. It's just hard sometimes with the bigger tags. And how cute is that? And there we go. more, somewhere to journal. Made this from one of the pages, and that's when I printed 2 to a page. Opened at the back, and then we've got that there. That's the other little booklet with just some paper. Keep all your little scraps, they're good for making little tiny booklets. Another tag here, and another journal card there. And then here is the other little booklet that I made, just with some scrap pieces. Excuse, I've got like glue all stuck to my fingers. And this is from the old design shop. Now, is that open? No, I glued that completely down. Look how beautiful that heart is. And that, like I said, the old design shop. So this, like I said, this will be for sale in my shop if you're interested. It will be at a discounted price today, for today only, which is the 23rd. The 23rd. Well, we're in the 23rd already, so and I think, believe it's 24th in some places around the world. God, hasn't this month gone quick? I can't believe how quick it's gone already. So anyway, let's try a nice bow on here. It's got scraggly bits there. You're going to get that with the fabric because it's cotton, and I tore it. And yeah, so there we go. Let's move that down a little bit so we can see them too. Having a kissy wissy. Okay, so there we go. All the links will be below. It'd be great if you gave me a thumbs up. It'd be great if you left a comment. And thanks for watching. Bye for now.